With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends. So assertion for this question is given as it is difficult to move a cycle along a road with its brake on, and reason behind this is given as sliding friction is greater than the rolling friction. So friends, let's check whether these statements are correct or false. Friends, if the brake of the cycle is on, so if these brakes are on, so the friction will be acting between this brake and the tire, and this will oppose the movement of this tire. So if the tire is rotating something like this, that is, it is moving in forward direction, so the friction will be acting in backward direction. Let the value of friction be F in tire due to brake. Also friends, the friction due to the ground will be acting in backward direction, and that is equals to F in tire due to ground. So friends, here we can clearly see that if brakes are in off condition, so FTB tends to be 0, and hence the bicycle is easy to be moved. So friends, the assertion is the true one, that is, it is difficult to move a cycle along a road with its brake on, as the net force that is stopping the bicycle is more in this case. Now reason says that sliding friction is greater than rolling friction. So friends, this statement is also true. This is because the area of contact in the sliding friction case and the area of contact in the rolling friction case are much different. That is, in the case of rolling friction, the surfaces are having very less contact area as compared to sliding friction. So mu r gets greater than mu s. Sorry, mu r gets less than mu s, and hence the sliding friction comes out to be greater than the rolling friction. So friends, reason also comes out to be the correct one. But friends, reason couldn't explain the assertion part, so we can say that option 2 for this question is the correct one. That is, both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation for assertion. Thank you friends.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.